Hello. I'm the not very well dressed Martin McGinty. Well, thanks for coming. I'm here with my co-founder, Blake Cassidy, as part of our journey to change the way that the world manages its waste forever. Our mission is to help people manage waste better, to preserve the planet for future generations. Our big, hairy, audacious goal is to be the world's leading provider of digital waste technology by 2025. And we've made a pretty decent start. Here's our journey. Does anybody recognize this place? No? Hands up? No? I don't think so. It's definitely not Scotland. No, that's Margaret River. I call Western Australia home now. And we're all proud to call Western Australia home. But councils are responsible for keeping it pristine and keeping it clean. And we provide technology that helps them with that job and helps make their job so much easier. We provide them with data that they've never had before, and that data allows them to create operational efficiencies in keeping places like this the way we love to see them. Okay, so think about our product as this is the way it started. It's like a Fitbit for your bin. It started off like a shoebox. This wasn't the first one. And we've got it down pretty much to the size of a matchbox. This is a product that's engineered here in WA, produced here in WA. It's the smallest and most cost-effective waste sensor in the world. What it does is it attaches to the bin lid and it measures how full the bin is and provides that information back to the waste collector via our software, which is called Capture. And I'm going to show you that in a second. Our solution is protected by Australia's most robust waste sensing patent portfolio. And we also have patents granted in New Zealand, Singapore, and the USA for this technology. I mentioned Capture, our software. Some of you might have seen it on our desk. This is it in action, if the video is working. Look, it's really simple. This is designed for a waste collector. It uses a red, amber, green system, and it allows them to drill into any bin that they've got in the precinct, and using red, amber, green, see if the bin requires to be collected or not. With the kind of fat finger button there, it's just that press one button, it'll tell you which bins are over 60% full, and therefore need to be collected. Moving on to the dashboard, this one's for the waste manager, and it provides analytics and intelligence driven by the reporting period around which bins in the precincts are full and what the collected volume is, and so forth. A lovely little feature here that I like is that we can see which bins in the precinct had most or least collections with just one button, which allows them to kind of spread out the bins and know where to put them. And again, we can see that data at a visual glance. Those bar charts all represent bins, and we can see which ones in the precinct kind of are getting the most use. That's it in a nutshell, but I've obviously had to rush that. So how do we make money? We make money by, we charge an upfront fee for the sensors to the council. They can also finance that. And then we have an annual subscription for the software and for the servicing kind of rolled up. The average council is worth about 150 grand to us over 5 years. And what's really exciting is that we've got industry partnerships that are going to give us direct access to 225 of Australia's councils. That's going to allow us to get to around 10 million revenue by 2023 at a profit margin of about 50%. Now what I'm going to do is hand across to Blake to tell you a bit more about Attraction, but from my side, thank you very much.
Thanks, Marty. So it's been a crazy year, and over the past 12 months, we've been able to close 5 councils. It started off with the City of Stirling at Trigg Beach, where we... Oh. What? Wrong way. Yeah, we started off at Trig Beach where we refined our product with the City of Stirling, and they helped us work towards product market fit. We then deployed in town of Bassadine where we helped them place their infrastructure in the best locations. We were then lucky enough to win 2 competitive tenders, one with the City of Casey in Victoria, and the second one, more recently, with the City of Perth, which was a 6-month process. And finally, we're working with the City of Gosnells to deploy 1,000 sensors across their parks and create efficiencies in their waste collection. And what we found in our early trials is that we can create up to 81% operational efficiencies. And that's because about half the bins that the ops guys go and check don't need to be checked. And then half the bins that they're emptying are below their 50% fill level and don't actually need to be emptied. So we're working with our customers to be able to unlock the value of this data. What we're really excited about is our partner network. So we've partnered with the City of Nanjing in China, and they've offered us match funding to set our company up there for distribution and to set up our production. Secondly, we've done a partnership with Procromat, which is a large bin manufacturer in Holland, and they're present in 14 countries, and they're going to manage our European distribution. And finally, as of yesterday morning, we have corporate approval for a joint venture with Pact Group, which is Australia's largest plastics manufacturer, and their subsidiary Sulo, who produces over 1 million bins a year. And we're working towards embedding our sensor into their bin lids, and they've expressed sales targets of over 100,000 smart bins per year. We have an amazing impact-driven team, and it's been truly an honour to work alongside all these guys. And I think we've learnt so much from them all. Finally, I'd just like to extend a big thank you to Derek, the SpaceCube team, and of course the other projects that went through the cohort with us. It was amazing to learn from them, and I'd like to thank you all for coming tonight. Enjoy your evening, and we'll be around the room if you want to have a chat. Thank you.